How to enable two-factor authentication on Chase. So first things first is make sure that you're logged into your account using your user ID and password. And by the way, this process is going to be the same. Either you're going to be using your mobile phone via the Chase app or via the web version. Just head directly into your profile and then just access your profile and privacy settings. And there you should be able to see get extra security and sign in. Now your two-factor authentication will consist of three options. So for OTP, which is a one-time password, you can preferably choose it if it's either through an SMS registered to your Chase account, a phone call, or via an email. Simply choose either one of those three, and your two-factor authentication should be enabled. So that is how you enable your two-factor authentication on Chase.